everyone, look what time it is. It's for the spring FabFitFUN unboxing. So, for those of you who may not know, my name is Tammy and welcome to my channel. I like to do unboxings of different things. I do several subscription boxes, yarn, makeup, and I do this FabFitFUN box that comes every quarter. Actually, it's seasonal, so this is the spring box. And I believe it's $250 worth of stuff for $50. So let's see what is inside. And their boxes are always beautiful. Even the inside of this box is really pretty. See that blue? Okay, and there's always a little catalog that tells you everything that's in it and how much things are, and you never will believe how much some of the things are because it's crazy. But I will say that they do a really good job of giving you different choices, and you can go in and you can pick some of the things that you'd like. You can even go in and add some things if you wanted to. And everybody gets a certain number of things, but then depending on what they gave you or what you said were your, like, okay, so here, all members get these that are in the this color, so everybody gets something from the 1, something from the 2, something from the 3, but it could be any one of these 3, A, B, C, D, or E. And then if you were a select member, you could pick one of those to get. And then there's some green. So these are also that. And then these are FabFit's picks. You will get surprised with an option we think that you'll love. So you'll get one of these in your bag as well. And it says all members get the chance to customize these options in their bag, in their box. So I just don't do that, but you can, and it's kind of cool. I like to be surprised. And it is spring, and that means that there are ants in here, and it drives me bananas. So if you see any, I am sorry. There's one right there, and I tried to get them. I do not enjoy the ants, and I do use some spray stuff, but spring in Indiana. So let's open this up and see what we've got. Oh my goodness, it looks pretty neat already. I'm kind of liking this. Wow. Sometimes I'm not as impressed as other times, but this time it looks pretty cool. So I'm just going to get started. This one says Amber Seats, and it's a necklace. I don't know what's on it. It looks almost like a coin. So I'm going to find this. This was number 3A. This is Amber Seats double coin necklace. This gorgeous double layered coin necklace features a detailed coin design on gold colored chains, and this retails for $50. Again, I would never spend $50 on this, and I won't even wear this, but it is cute. And I am thinking that this would make a really cute gift for my daughter. And so sometimes I gift these, I mean, depending on, because these are all full-size, nice things. So you can gift them, you can give them, you can share it, you can keep it, whatever you want to do, of course. And I'm not going to take all that out to see how much there is, but it looks like it's a rather long chain. And it is really pretty. It's just not really something that I think I would wear. But what do I know? Maybe I would. I don't know yet. I'm not sure about that one. But it's cute. So there's that. And then this is Murad Rapid Collagen Infusion, and this is number 2B. So this is one that everybody will get, and it says, oh gosh, there's some ants over here, and I don't like it. Ugh, yuck. Sorry, guys. Where is my spray? Oh, here it is. I do use this Aunt Fanny's Ant Remedy. It's kid-friendly, safe, so, but it does the trick. So, I do use that. Okay, so anyway, this says Number 2B, formulated with collagen amino acids, this treatment visibly minimizes the look of thin lines and wrinkles. Woohoo! And it retails for $78. Thin lines and wrinkles. That seems like it's all for me. And this is what it looks like. And it's kind of creamy. It says AM and PM massage evenly over clean face, neck, and chest. Very nice. I will definitely use that. I would never spend $78 on it, but having gotten it in my box, I will certainly use it. And then I also have this Scandinavia, the makeup finishing spray. Oh, that's neat. I know my daughter likes makeup finishing spray. And I'm looking for this. And I don't see this anywhere. Well, that is quite different. I'm not sure about that. Let's move on to the next one and see what we have. This is Deep Sleep Body Cocoon, the multitasking beauty sleep savior for better nights and brighter mornings. It's a lotion. And where is this one? Oh, there it is. So this is one that they picked for me, it looks like. Number 6A. Yes, it retails for $40. Use this cream to bring calm and relaxation while nourishing your skin. Ooh, that's neat. Let's see what this smells like. Ooh, it does kind of smell kind of minty. Ooh. It wanted to come out, didn't it? Oh, it smells really good. It smells like lavender and oh, it smells really good. A little minty. Oh, it smells delicious. I can see how that would be a nice relaxing smell. Oh, I like that. This is the Deep Sleep Body Cocoon. What is this one? Lux Chrome Detangling Brush. Ooh, look how fancy. That is nice. Now, I don't even know that I'm going to take this out of here because I'm definitely going to give this to my daughter. Rose gold handle. I'll take it out because we need to see it, don't we? Oh my goodness. That looks nice. Let's see. I know I saw this somewhere. This is the Aria Beauty Lux Detangling Electroplated Brush. Perfect for all hair types. The extended bristles offer easy detangling to reduce stress at the hair and scalp. $35. Well, that is very nice. I can see. Hopefully my daughter will like that. I don't know. We're not big on brushes. We both have curly hair. And sometimes brushes aren't our friend, but that kind of brush isn't so bad. I want to see what this is too. Oh, it's just the little. Huh. It's cute. So I don't know, but I think that she might like it. Let's see, it came undone over here. I'm going to tie it back in a little knot. So next thing I'm going to look at are those silicone straws that are right here. And that is number 7A. This says Chic and Tonic Silicone Straws. The set includes 4 silicone straws, a brush cleaner, and a carrying case so you can sip your drinks on the go, and it retails for $15. What is this? A case? Carrying case. I guess you fold them and put them in there. And then there's a little cleaner so that you can clean it out. I've never used a silicone straw, but I guess you can just fold it up and stick it in here. I think this is more of a pain to carry it in a little thing than it would be just to pop this in your bag or something. I don't know. What do I know? And then the little cleaner thing is very much needed, I am sure. Huh, that seems to work all right. Well, now I've got it stuck in there. Are you kidding me? Probably doesn't help that I put on lotion. There we go. Kind of funny. I don't know what I think about these. I'm not sure. I mean, I understand that the plastic straws are bad. I get that. And I think I'd like this better than metal. And I would definitely like it better than paper. So, I don't know. Maybe it's okay. Maybe I'll give it a try. I'm not really sure yet, but it's worth a shot. Now, what is this? This is a Revive. No, that's not this. This is a Donny ribbed sweater coat. Transition into spring with this relaxed cardigan that complements all shapes and sizes, and it retails for $99. It is very soft, and it's stretchy, one size fits all. I don't know. It looks all right. Let's see. There's a little pocket, at least on one side. Nope, pockets on both sides, and they're kind of like hidden pockets. See, there's no like sewing around it. It's kind of nice. I'm going to try it on. I love cardigans and stuff, so I don't know. It's long sleeved. And it actually does seem to be all right. And I think I said it retails for $99. Oh, there's one more thing. I thought that was everything. I'm glad I lifted that up. So let's see here. I will turn this so you can see me when I am done. So the last thing in here is this Winky Lux Rainbow Balm. Let's see if I can find this on here. This retails for $18. Give your lips a have just been kissed flush of color with this tinted and pH hybrid balm. Winky Lux. And it's blue and orange and red. I don't know if you can see all. Oh, there's maybe even more shade. Nope. It just looks like 3 at the top, but it's, or 4 at the top, but it's 3. And it gives it a little pinky color. I have lipstick on, so I don't know. I don't know. It feels good. Might be good just to put in a bag and have it in case you need some chapstick or something. Winky Lux. Interesting. So I still don't know where this is. Makeup finishing spray. I don't know if I got that instead of something else, but I don't see that on here. That's really interesting. That's never happened before, but so instead of this cardigan, I could have gotten a Light Therapy Wrinkle and Anti-Aging Light Device, a diamond woven rug. It says a woven rug, but it's a bag, I think. Oh, no, 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 this is it. Okay, you could have gotten a woven rug, or the Summer and Rose Navy Diamond Tote, or these, I think, are the West Elm Indigo Tie-Dye Bowls, or some recovery cream. Oh no, this is the recovery cream. This is Rose Gold Radiance Booster. It says that retails for $135. This is a Rainforest of the Sea Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost Moisturizer. There is the Tarteist Pro Glow Highlighter and Contour Palette. This is the Shoshana Umbrella. These are Calpak set of 3 packing cubes in Sorbet or Tutti Frutti. So, I mean, there's just all sorts of different things. You could have gotten a mask collection. It looks like this came in either gold or silver, maybe, because this looks silver. Just all sorts of different things. This one looks like an I3B gravity weighted sleep mask. So all sorts of different things that you can get, and it's pretty neat. I honestly enjoy it. If I don't use it, I pass it on, and somebody seems to find use for everything that's in the box. So that's kind of neat. So I would recommend it. This again is the FabFitFUN, and let's see, I got the silicone straws, the Scandinavia makeup setting spray, the little Winky Lux. This I'm very excited about, and this I'm pretty excited about. So of all of it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 things I would personally use. Let's see, I would use this if I needed to, and I would use that, but okay, let's see. I'm going to keep this, 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 I may keep this, I may try these. So, I mean, it's a pretty good box, and I think it's fun. I'm going to leave this in my bag just because it does feel good on your lips, and I love having, and I have lotion on it, but I love having like a chapstick available. So I'll leave it in one of my bags. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope that you have a wonderful day, and check it out, FabFitFUN. Oh, and here, I'll show you what it looks like on me. Hopefully, there. Sorry, I know that I am not a beauty queen today, as usual, but I mean, normally I'm such a beauty queen. But yeah, I think this is kind of cute. It's not bad. It's something nice. So thanks for watching. My lips are a little pinker than usual because of that. Winky Linky, or whatever it was called. Winky Lux. Thanks, guys. Bye.